Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the Nads down under unit. Do this now. Attach the base plate to expose the control pins. Align them with the 3 marked slots so contacts seat evenly. Power on by pressing and holding the center button for 2 seconds. Watch the LED blink twice. You do this to ensure stable comms and avoid boot errors. Once done, the unit initializes its sensors. Make sure the firmware is 1, 2, or higher, and the battery reads at least 50% to prevent mid-process shutdowns. Now configure the system in the Nads app. You should select the Down Under profile to load tailored parameters. Start the 4-step calibration routine. Place the device flat, apply light pressure, rotate slowly, and confirm. Each step adjusts the tilt, pressure, and temperature compensation so measurements remain accurate. Once the app shows green checks, verify the live sensor readouts for tilt, pressure, and temperature. This confirms the calibration succeeded. Make sure to save the profile before proceeding to avoid redoing these precise steps. Finish by running a 5-minute verification test cycle while observing live metrics. This ensures the system responds under normal load. If you encounter errors, reboot the unit, reseat the base plate to re-establish contact, and rerun the calibration sequence. This resolves most misalignment or boot faults. Finally, export the diagnostics log as a CSV and store it with timestamps. This helps support identify recurring issues. One troubleshooting tip: if readings drift, repeat calibration after a full power cycle to clear cached offsets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.